This week on teenage pregnancy.
I just lost one of my girls and I need your help.
Me have a young girl. She ready. And she full of action.
Have you ever thought about taking a little trip across the ocean?
Yes.
So them are gonna make you swallow the pill.
Swallow 15 to 18 bags and take 9 or 10 trips.
Yeah man, after the boat take you to the border, then you go have a plane just take you straight to UK, you see me?
We will put them in rubber capsules and you will be swallowing the pill whole.
No. How we get that? Who you get that?
You're smart, you're a school girl. Do the maths.